today I'm reviewing the Dr.Cceuracle Vegan Kombucha Tea Essence. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com. Check out my Patreon or click on the links below. Okay, I'll have a link to YesStyle below for this one. So, really excited to finally review this one after giving it enough chance. Been really testing off and on for a long time, but with the winter weather changing, this has become an integral part of my routine for keeping my skin hydrated. So they call this an ingenious multitasker that absorbs like a toner and functions as a cream essence hybrid. The vegan kombucha tea essence is perfect for all skin types, especially dry, sensitive, dull, or imbalanced. And I'll say even acne prone, I'll get to that. My first criteria is packaging. I love the packaging. Minimal, glass, recyclable, great. We love that. In terms of denatured types of alcohol, there is none of that. In terms of fragrance, it does contain an ingredient called Triethylhexanoin, which is a perfuming masking ingredient, but it also functions as a hydrating emollient. It's not really used that often as a fragrance ingredient. It can kind of mask other scents. So I'm not going to mark them for this because it's more of a functions as a good ingredient than it does anything else. So, although perhaps some people may be very sensitive to it, I've not heard of any issues of it though. So just thought it's important to note that. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Let me do a quick pH test because I've been forgetting occasionally and you guys have been good reminding me. Yeah, 1 second. Oh, I can clean up the floor. I got a steam mop for Black Friday, so I'm excited. So the pH of this one looks to be right about 5.5, which is a decent pH. So I'll put a little bit on my hand. You want to shake it up. So ease of use, this one is wonderful. So they mention to shake it and pat it, or you can apply with a cotton pad. I do not recommend applying this one with a cotton pad. It is kind of a thicker texture. It doesn't absorb well into the cotton. And this is to be used more like an essence, in my opinion, than like a toner. Because a toner, you'd use a cotton pad for, and an essence you pat on. So this one, in my opinion, works better as an essence where you just pat it on. But look, it absorbs pretty quickly. And it really does a nice job leaving skin feeling hydrated and soft. It does take a little bit of time to fully absorb. I tend to use this one more in my evening routine. Although now with winter here, I've been using it more and more often in my morning routine just to give my skin a little bit of extra moisture. So it's really helped. But typically, especially if you have oilier skin, we'll probably prefer it in your evening routine as opposed to your morning routine. So there you go. So it really does a nice job absorbing and leaving skin feeling nice and soft. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. Let's get to them. So we've got green tea water and then green tea extract, which are antioxidant, hydrating, skin soothing ingredient. Green tea is an amazing ingredient. We've got Saccharomyces ferment, which is an antioxidant and skin soothing ingredient. It's rich in essential minerals, amino acids, vitamins. Let's see. Then we've got Centella Asiatica. It's a wonderful ingredient. It's antioxidant. It is skin soothing. It is hydrating and a skin protecting ingredient. We've got fig extract, which is hydrating. We've got cocoa seed extract, which is an antioxidant as well as hydrating ingredient. We've got Amaranthus seed extract, which, so we've got Amaranthus seed extract, which is a seed extract. It's rich in oils, linoleic and omega-6 acids. It also is rich in squalane, great emollient and moisturizing ingredient. We've got Schizandra Chinensis extract, which is skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Ulmus Davidiana extract, which is an anti-inflammatory and hydrating ingredient. We've got sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant. Obviously, it has been in every product I've reviewed, like in the last 2 months. We've got polycortinium 51, which is a copolymer. It's a same structure as phospholipids, good skin moisturizer, and also leaves a silky, smooth feel on the skin and can also help reduce irritation. We've got sunflower seed oil, Unsaponifiables, which is a skin-soothing, skin-identical ingredient and emollient. And then finally, we've got ceramide NP, which is a skin-identical ingredient. So lots of good emollients, antioxidants, soothing, hydrating ingredients. Very nice, good list of ingredients. In terms of animal testing, so there's a website that sells this brand called Olali, and they state that this brand is cruelty-free as well as vegan. So I'm just taking that from them. I could not find anything else out anywhere else. So I'm taking it from them. If you have any more information or links, leave a comment. Don't send the link, type the link out. Or just put everything and then write out .com, because otherwise it will filter it out. YouTube filters comments like crazy. So okay, so get to performance. This one is wonderful. It's a really hydrating essence. A little goes a very long way. Feels very soothing, leaves a nice hydrating, kind of a film on skin a little bit. Really feels nice, soothing. Great to use if you're on strong retinoids or tretinoid. Prevents some of the dryness and irritation. This one, the texture, the use, it feels very similar to the Laneige Cream Skin Toner. But this one's got just a boost of a little bit more beneficial ingredients in it. And then even better for that is in terms of acne-prone, acne-genic skin, there is no ingredients of note. So very wonderful, which makes it great. So if you have acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, reactive skin, pretty darn good. The price may seem a little pricey. So this is a full size, 150 milliliters, 5.2 ounces, retails for about $35, which sounds pricey, but a little bit of this goes a very long way. This bottle will last quite some time. A little bit goes a very long way. Then in terms of the it factor, really loving this product. It's unique. It's a very unique essence because it's very hydrating, full of emollients, but it's very friendly for acne-prone skin. It's so hydrating, but no ingredients of note. Lots of good antioxidants, emollients, skin-soothing ingredients, and pretty darn affordable. There's nothing to dislike about this so far that I can find. So usually I look for something, like there's got to be one little issue with it, but I can't find anything. I love it. It's amazing. I ordered the moisturizer version of this, so I can't wait to pick that one, get that one delivered soon. So anyway, the vegan kombucha tea essence with a 10 being a perfect score. This one gets a 10. Love it. So anyway, interested in hearing from you guys. If there's someone out there that doesn't like it, it seems like most people that try this love it. So I'm sure there's somebody. So leave a comment if you're that somebody. Or if you love it, also leave a comment. So anyway, I love hearing from you guys and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.